It was a Z Studios film called Sade Made Teen. So there was Makaran Anaspure, there was Ashok Mama, there was Bharat Jadhav again.
You have to say Ashok Mama.
Yeah. मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की बारा. How much of Marathi do you know? Tell me, Cyrus.
मी माहिती.
मी माहिती?
कुत्र्याचा पिल्लू आईज वगैरे.
नाही अरे
My language.
You can't say कुत्र्यांचं पिल्लू and then a गाली.
I went from veg to
It's
non-veg.
like that. I'm actually here for Taskari and we want to
Actually,
talk about
by the way, we are
Taskari.
supposed to be promoting Taskari,
Taskari.
And now after 26 minutes we have mentioned
Yeah,
it, which
exactly.
I feel really bad.
Yeah,
you should say 3-4 times just to make them happy.
मतलब
PR team का कोई है इधर? नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
So let's talk about something else.
And it was like that climax wala slap, no? So that force had to come. So I went like, and pan करके I gave. ये पूरा लाइन आ गया था यहाँ पे ऐसे पूरा नाक लाल और ये and अनुराग was like मिला
Kathak or something you were doing?
वाह
You said now you learned classical dancing?
कथक
हाँ.
कथक बोलना तो अरे हा काय रे हा माणूस.
Okay, very interested here with our new guest who's saying so many nice things about me before we started rolling that I have tears in my eyes. Luckily, my hearing is not good, so I'll make a repeat. Amruta Khanvilkar,
Hi.
famous actress, lots of shows. In fact, very good last 6 to 12 months that she's had. We'll come to that, but first she wants to talk about the fact that बहुत साल पहले एक जमाना में बहुत वक्त चला गया अभी. There was a time when we used to work on MTV in the 90s and
Hello.
2000s, yeah.
You were like the OG people. My God, you have defined television and you have just brought so much of culture and I don't know उसको pop culture कहते हैं
Pop
कि
culture?
पता नहीं क्या था वो, but every time and
I
this
think
is
you're mistaking me for Poola and
No.
Premchand. I'm just a guy on MTV who's
My
talking
goodness,
rubbish.
but no, but you have defined television at that point of time. So I used to, I'm a typical Maharashtrian middle class Marathi mulgi from Mumbai, ठीक है? My dad is from Girgaon, my mom is from Mulund, and we've stayed in Andheri East, Ville Parle and all. But my Masi used to stay in Mahim, and her children were in Scottish, Bombay Scottish, that point of time.
Not Mumbai, Bombay. That tells you that how they behave.
Bombay Scottish and all. And उनको बड़ा वो ऐसा वाला English आता था.
John Abraham.
Yeah, all these people.
Many actors. Give me names.
Even
Hrithik,
Ranbir, yeah.
Abhishek.
Yeah, so Ranbir was I think my brother's senior or something, you know. And अब किसको पता था मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है वगैरह वगैरह. So that time हमारे television sets पे कभी भी नहीं लगा है MTV and this and that because my father, 2 girls in the house and also my father never allowed it.
Corrupt culture.
But whenever I used to go to my Masi's place, my brothers always used to have MTV on. And that time, Cyrus was... No, I'm not supposed to call him sir right now. So I'm just going
Why
to
would you call him sir?
I mean,
him,
Cyrus.
No, I'm not
okay.
Arnab. I'm not third person myself. Don't call him.
So we used to sit in front of the TV and we used to like... this is this world, MTV world. Look at Malaika and then look at
that's
Cyrus and
these are good role models.
Yeah,
now.
and Cyrus and Minnie ma'am. And, oh my God!
Don't call her ma'am; she'll get angry.
Sorry,
Also
Minnie
Leo
Mathur.
personality.
Minnie Mathur, and we used to be like, my God, what is this world? And you know, psychedelic होता था तब कुछ आप लोगों को देख के बहुत.
Yeah.
So yeah, and
we were lucky. There was no competition. Also, Channel V came at some point, but that was it. 2 channels.
But my God, MTV has defined our childhood core memories and oh my God, and he used to wear these loose shirts and you know
they would give me clothes. I like to wear my normal dirty shorts and shirts.
But then you know
clothes. I had the worst clothes. If you see Nikhil and all were very fashion conscious.
Then there was this VJ
Hunt.
There's some huge VJ Hunt and
correct. We were the first people to do that. What we do now for roadies and all these other shows where they find the talent, we're the first to do that hunt.
So Maharashtrian मुलगी को कैसा है ना कि क्या इंग्लिश बोलते हैं यार, क्या इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, समझ नहीं आता बट क्या इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, ऐसा होता था.
Really?
So, yeah.
But I remember getting letters from the north actually, not from anybody in Mumbai. about how they
No, we
like.
were very shy
how,
to write you letters and
about
all.
how the English improves listening to us and all
Yeah,
that. Yeah,
of
And I
course.
feel quite bad
That's
because-
why. That's why you got the entire culture. Is what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah.
But it's also fun because I think for young people there was no channel in
Yeah.
the late 90s to early 2000s. There was nothing.
You have defined
We were the
most
influencers.
people's yes.
Yeah, for that time.
I mean, the OG influencers, the OG people who got that culture, you know, ki, matlab, a flat stomach and this and that and everything. Not you at that point of time. Today maybe,
Too much
but
pressure
I'm just
again.
saying.
Far too much pressure. Flat stomach कभी flat तो मुश्किल से मिलेगा. Stomach तो I don't know. I mean really.
But
Yeah.
like really cool dudes and really hot women and all.
You know, all of them were like this except me. That's the sad part. Nikhil was hip and, you know,
Yeah,
fit
Nikhil
and,
was
you know,
so-
the women,
gorgeous,
girls loved him. Yeah,
gorgeous.
he was a girl
Very.
guy. Like the girls would call out his name everywhere.
Yeah.
Then Malaika was the most sexy things.
The
All the boys would.
the most
yeah.
amazing. Even today, I mean, God bless her.
So
but
my
my
role was to
God.
carry their bags wherever we went. Like, Choka, acha, bag uthao. And I did it. I
Oh
didn't
wow!
mind.
And such good-looking, such
Yeah, the others.
nicely talking people and all. Yeah,
Yeah, Mini was fantastic. Is fantastic. What am I saying? Was. and
Was.
all.
Is
He's-
fantastic.
All
And
of us are
even you,
struggling to survive, but we are still here.
And if you find me staring at him, please excuse me. It's like all my childhood memories, you know, coming screaming back at me and all.
But for boys in Gurgaon, don't objectify people. It's not right.
No?
अभी अंग्रेजी में objectify क्या होता है हिंदी में?
हाँ वो आजकल बहुत सेंसिटिव हो गया ना
हाँ,
सब
हाँ,
कुछ हाँ
very, yeah.
बहुत
Be
बहुत
very careful.
सेंसिटिव हो गया
Yeah.
या आई एम सो
I
सॉरी
don't know. We said all kinds of things. Oh, but the producer has come late. After the star has come. And now they are having a conversation.
they both are producers
Uh-huh.
oh little girl so cute
Yeah. Where's my camera? The fun is. Yeah.
I mean I can call them little yeah
Amrita, they're whispering. What is the lack of respect?
no
You say all
that's
this-
fine that's
You're-
fine
Okay.
yeah I'm right now you're like the
Yeah.
center of attraction for me
It's such an informal show that
Yeah,
everybody people just walk in and out. Yeah,
yeah,
They
yeah.
give- it's like a
that's fine.
circus. Nobody
yeah,
cares.
I can't see I don't care it's like that
But I can see. So we were talking about this whole MTV thing. Sorry, I'm just scratching my knee. And yeah, so that was a long time back. But can we get into your story at some point?
yeah sure whenever you want I mean I'm sorry I'm telling you I will just be scared like staring at him and I'm just so glad to be here
Hey, let's do that for 5 minutes. No talking. Now you play the Shania in the background. Amrita, come on. Let's,
Okay,
it's a
okay,
new
okay.
podcast.
Okay,
Ranveer Alabadia, eat your heart out. This is a podcast. I got scared. Before she files a police complaint, Bandra police
Not
station
at
is right
all,
here.
not at all.
Better be very careful. So that was the MTV thing, but we won't get into that. Now we have to talk about you, Amrita.
Yes.
And it's been a big year. But let's go in the beginning. Then we can go
Yeah.
back because you said you grew up in Mumbai, then you went to Pune.
Yes, so I think after 93 or something, I think I went to Pune.
Because of the blasts and all
Yes,
that.
exactly. My father used to travel in
On
the
the-
local trains
Any
and
of the
everything.
any of the
yes.
stops near to his,
So that had happened with him. He had
He
you
was on
know,
the train when-
yeah, I mean the train after or train before I don't really remember, and you know that unfortunate incident had happened, and I don't know that because we were always from Mumbai. You know,
Hmm.
my grandfather, we had this huge shop in Girgaon and everything, but
What shop?
It was a clothing shop at Siddharth Tailors करके कुछ था बड़ा.
Siddharth Taylor.
Yeah,
is it there?
yeah.
Is it there?
I don't think so. It's all gone now. Yeah, but Girgaon that
Girgaon,
time was
history of
like,
Girgaon is like the center of
it's like
Mumbai.
the center,
Yeah.
the heart of Mumbai. But then I think that happened, and my father was like, I don't think it's a very safe space to be. And he was with 3 women. We were children at that point of time. So then he thought that let's move to Pune, and that is where I did my education and everything. And 2004, me and my sister kind of again got out of the house, started working. 2006 was my first Marathi film and all.
No, before that, how did you go into acting?
So I used to do these small auditions. Now Pune, if you know, is called as the Shikshanaचं माहेरघर.
Oh.
Can you say that for me?
शिक्षणाचं
माहेरघर.
माहेरघर.
It's so
Stop laughing.
म्हणजे
काय?
So it was it was an educational
Intellectual-
hub and
intellectual
yeah
hub.
then theater used to happen
But that's
there
correct,
and-
actually.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
true.
obviously
I know snooty Punekars look down on Mumbaikars because we are the crassy commercial.
Now see I've got to
Indians.
work in both the cities so I can't say
No,
much.
you're working as an artist now, but I'm saying the viewer, the audience,
yeah,
always
yeah.
so they'll appreciate the more arty
Yes,
plays, the more
yes.
meaningful. You
Yes.
don't have to have razzmatazz and big great lights.
no,
and all that.
not at all.
Yeah.
And it was always
Thank
very
God for that. There's some cities left stuff like that.
Yeah,
no?
and it's a beautiful city, beautiful.
A beautiful city once you get in.
Yeah.
Getting in takes a long time now.
It
I'm
does.
sorry to
It
say.
does. Now it does,
Yeah.
but it had that beautiful old.
Oh God, when you were
charm
growing up there,
and
it was
all.
beautiful.
It was absolutely
At that
lovely.
time, I used to go, me and my boys, we used to drive, get somebody's car and drive on weekends
Yeah.
just to go to see girls in Ferguson College and Wadia College. And Symbiosis. And this is not a good thing, so don't do that. Get an MBA instead. Go into the college. I shouldn't tell them like that. No, because boys also.
I know.
Crazy. Huh?
Not today. I
Yeah,
mean,
not
it's very
today.
sensitive times that
I
we're
was
living
very
in.
upset because the girls who drove the scooters would cover themselves.
Yeah, this entire thing.
Yeah.
They used to have this big sun coats
Yeah,
and all.
So we don't know whether they're pretty or not.
Yeah.
We're still staring. There's one eyebrow and I'm saying, hey, Samir, what do you think?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yes, absolutely.
And
Yeah,
the movie
yeah.
cover.
Because the Pune summers is very bad. It's like, yeah.
It is. The
yeah,
dry
it's
heat.
very,
huh?
very, very dry heat.
It's horrible, really, when we're shooting on the roads and all.
Yeah.
Huh.
But it had its own beautiful charm and all. So I still love Pune. I mean, I go, today it's like my home now. Mumbai is like a karma bhumi for me.
Huh, but where's the family home?
So family home is in Pune and as well as in Mumbai now. So yeah.
So you were doing auditions?
Yeah, I was doing auditions and everything in Pune, but then I got this एक reality show था Zee Cine Stars की खोज in 2004. So I got a call for that. Then I came to Mumbai and see that time, for
You
me.
performed in that?
Yeah, I performed in that. Did not win
You
the
won,
contest. Absolutely not.
But you must have made some impression.
Yeah, and then I started working
Winner कौन था? याद है?
Aditi and Sarwar, I don't remember their
Are
last.
they working
They
today?
are working in television
Oh,
and
not
all.
bad.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, they did something for themselves. That's very good. And then, of course, I started working in Hindi television, in Marathi films.
But which
and
was the first break?
My first break
Golmaal?
was Golmaal 2006.
Which is Marathi, not
the
Hindi.
Marathi, not the Hindi. Oh,
So
wow.
it is first. It's the first one.
Yeah, it was my first.
Who says Hindi copies?
No, it's okay. I mean, it just came at the very. No, nobody can say that, but yeah.
Hindi has only one original, Sholay. After that, everything is
It's all inspired.
inspired.
It's all
एक बार
inspired.
देखा तो dub.
But yeah, so Marathi Golmaal happened.
Was that a big
and,
hit?
It was quite a good hit. It paid me really well. So yeah, that happened.
No, but was it watched? Because,
Yeah, of course. The Marathi audience. And then it had those Marathi superstars. It had Bharat Jadhav and everybody. So yeah, it
Who
was
else?
my first film. Then who else
Ashok
was
Saraf?
there?
I love Ashok Saraf.
No, not Ashok Saraf was not. He was there for my second film that I did with. It was a Z Studios film called Sade Made Teen. So there was Makaran Anaspure, there was Ashok Mama, there was Bharat Jadhav again.
So you have to say Ashok Mama.
Yeah.
Like he doesn't say, don't call me Ashok and all.
No.
How is he
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
otherwise to work with?
Absolutely amazing. What a
Genius, no?
genius. I mean, one of a kind. Absolutely one of a kind. And a legend. He's a Padma Shri, Padma Shri or Padma Bhushan? Padma Shri,
But Padma Shri के पास पैसा आते हैं उसके साथ नहीं ना?
मत बोल ऐसा.
No, I just want to know when I get it कि पैसा भी आएगा या land, ज़मीन. They should give something more than just a thing. I feel.
No comments on that.
Well, it's not like we won't take it. We'll take the Padma Shri. We just want to know if we can get little bit out of it, little bit more. Yeah. 1 acre, small, somewhere in Jharkhand. Give me a
This
small
is
plot.
that time where you need to take a break. Are there any breaks here?
There are, but why so early?
Okay, ठीक है.
Nobody watches till 25th minute. So we don't. This is warm up. This is just passing time. But so you already started. So after the Z reality show, you got into the
Yeah, I got
Marathi
introduced
films?
into the Marathi films and
Yeah.
everything. Then I did my first film with Ram Gopal Verma called as Contract. Then I did
Contract?
one more Contract करके एक film थी.
But was this Ram Gopal Verma when he was good, or Ram
He was,
Gopal Verma when
good.
he was? How
he
do I
was
say
good.
this? Thoda different.
He was good at that point of time.
Is
Then
it again gangster kind of film?
yeah, gangster kind
Contract
of a
naam hai
film.
to,
Yeah,
हाँ.
And then there was Fook that happened.
Tell me more about Contract.
So Contract, I just did like 2-3 scenes and everything
Are
in
you a,
that.
are you a killer or something? Are you
No. I play the lovely wife in that, and then that
of the Supari guy?
of the Supari guy.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Supari and all, yeah, how nice.
I love the genre.
Yeah.
I can see it in Chinese gangsters, Italian gangsters, Indian.
Yeah.
I don't know why we love it. I feel bad sometimes why we like these violent films. It also means there's something little wrong with our society.
Us or
People in general, not
yeah.
just me. I'm not the only person here. Come on. All these VJs you mentioned, they love violence.
Yeah.
They only watch things like that.
But I think it's also because, you know what, films kind of show that violence that, बहुत suppression होता है and then you want to
Yeah,
just take it
frustration.
out on something and
अच्छा,
then you
खुद
see
का
some
frustration ही मुझे
and then
saying.
you see some guy punching on the screen.
Yeah,
So that is why Mr. Amitabh Bachchan also really worked, no?
Correct. I agree with you. That's a good analysis.
Yeah. I mean, the whole angry man image that he
the
had.
narrative is different, but we're all frustrated.
We all,
so we want an outlet.
Yeah, we want an outlet, and then films kind of do that. Those heroes, anti-heroes kind of do that, and then you feel like, yes, ये मैंने boss को punch मारा.
And most of the films have that track of social justice in some way.
Exactly.
Or social justice to the
Yes,
character
and they
in some
obviously
way.
show you that at the end of the day, punching people is not good.
No.
So you come back to, being...
In fact, punching is not a good idea because you can hurt your hand. Always use your elbow, Amrita. If you can, you want to go tap like this.
Yeah.
You won't get pain here if you do that. You want to try?
No, thanks.
Beta, aaja.
No.
Try once.
No, thanks. Why do you have so many scratches on your hand, by the way?
The ladies.
Oh my God.
Ferguson, Wadia, Dorabjis, Vandanas, everywhere I go in Pune. No, I have 2 dogs, Baba.
Oh, acha, then that's fine.
Only my dogs touch
Now you're
me.
a family man.
I'm
No
a
more
full-
scratches from ladies.
I'm worse than Manoj Bajpayee. He gets paid to be a family man. I'm just a family man. With no bloody story only. No second season. Sorry. So, where were we? If I forget, you remember, no?
Yeah. So I think we were talking about...
Ashok Saraf and all these legends were acting for the first time, and then Hindi also happens.
Yeah, then Hindi also happened, and then it was...
Which was the first Hindi film?
It was Milan Luthria's hat trick. Milan Luthria was like amazing.
His wife Lian and my sister Giselle grew up together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What a lovely
But now what's the
director.
point? Are you meeting him now?
No.
Then why am I telling you this? You can't even
But you're
tell me.
meeting him, no? Someday or the
He's one of
other.
those guys, he makes a few films, but a lot of research.
So I played Paresh Rawal's daughter in that. I was very young at that point of time. My first abroad trip and everything.
Where?
London, they took
Nice.
me. Yeah. So it was really nice at that point of time. And then of course Marathi, Hindi kept happening. And then I did this song. I don't know whether you know about it or not. Vazle Ki Bara. Do you know?
We read about it.
Yeah, you've
but
never heard about. We've never heard
First,
that song.
she began by saying such nice things. Now she finds out what a useless anchor. कुछ काम research कुछ नहीं करता.
But that's
फिर भी-
okay. That's
yeah.
fine. But that's okay. I mean,
I'll pretend.
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah, wow!
Superb, yaar!
Have you
Yeah,
ever
yeah.
danced on it? That song has been in the industry for more than
10 years.
20 years
20
now.
years.
Yeah.
20 years.
Hello.
Let's play the song. We're not allowed to play the song, no?
No. You'll not get the.
No, they won't allow us.
Strike आ जाएगा.
Within 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Old days we used to play, 10, 15. Even on MTV, there was no issue with rights and all, even if you're not promoting someone.
Yeah.
But now it's all
But
gone.
now it's all gone. Now the entire money of this episode will go to them then.
Oh, Arijit Singh stopped singing because of this.
Yeah, that's like
Every time
a
he does
heartbreak
yeah.
for girls.
But
Yeah.
why did he stop?
How do I know? If I knew why Arjit Singh stopped singing, I would
It's
just
very
tell
odd,
you.
no? Ki boss, you're at the top of the tree. You're very well liked also by not just fans. I'm saying he's
Loved.
liked by people he works with and all. So what is the reason?
I don't know. You should call him on this
I'll
podcast.
tell you the reason. Finally he heard his song.
What?
He finally khud suna na ultimately. At some point it's like I see my own jokes or whatever. At some point you're exposed to yourself. And when you're exposed to yourself, then God only can judge you. और कोई नहीं है. So he finally heard it and he said, boss मैंने करेगा.
Okay. Sorry.
क्या acting? Yeah. No, I like him. He's a very nice guy.
I love his songs, please.
Listen, he treated me like you. I met him on a plane once going to Dubai. I didn't meet him. I was just keeping my head down. Everybody was shouting, Arijit. And he came to me and said, hello, I'm a big fan. And all. That's
Yeah.
very embarrassing. So I was trying to avoid him. I was avoiding him only because
But you can't avoid people now.
But
Cyrus, you've done something which is like
Yeah, that's what-
golden now.
Yeah, so they say
So
that-
now it's
yeah,
okay. All
yeah.
your embarrassing moments in your life
Yeah.
were on MTV, and
Correct,
you have
correct.
to pay the price for
the
it now.
problem is I'm like a union territory, so I don't have any powers only, but I'm there. Kept as a union territory. Anyway, so he was very sweet.
Of
And he didn't need to
course.
be. He could have
Of
just
course.
walked. And he was very nice to people also. I always notice that when people are big stars, how they treat other people is very
Yeah,
important.
yeah,
Like rich
yeah.
people who treat staff badly, it's a real turn off.
Yeah, it is.
You know,
it
when
is.
somebody says,
No, generally also, I mean, rich or poor, whatever, I think
Yeah,
anybody just
No, but
disrespecting somebody is just
correct.
horrible.
Yeah, I agree with you totally. Okay, end of the podcast. So why did he stop? We don't know. There's
Yeah.
no insight. You haven't-
Now you have to
wanna
like
say-
keep listening to all his old songs now. My God.
But he'll still perform, I think. He
I
won't do
don't
playback. He
know.
won't
I'm
do
not his
playback.
manager.
He's going to perform.
No, he's gonna apparently, allegedly, he's opening his own political party or like he's running for.
Oh my God.
Oh. Arijit Singh is going to stay.
Allegedly,
You're the producer, no?
I hope you-
So of course you know then these
Amrita, I'll
things.
just repeat it because I don't know if everyone can hear my other podcasters behind the camera
Oh.
and from another technology of different kinds in that country. So she's saying that
अचानक वहाँ पे कैमरा चला गया.
kabhi, I 50 million times I told them, can we have one camera? ऐसा.
She knows what she's
knows, she
doing.
knows.
Sorry दीदी.
Yeah.
चालतंय बघ ती म्हणतीये.
मराठी बोलतोय. हां. So
How
what
much of Marathi do you know? Tell me, Cyrus.
मी माहिती
मी माहिती?
कुत्र्याचा पिल्लू आईज वगैरे.
नाही अरे
My language.
you can't say
Language-
कुत्र्यांचं पिल्लू and then a
Okay,
गाली.
shh. I went from veg to
It's
non-veg.
like that, like that.
It's veg and non-veg. मेन्यू में दोनों चीज
हे
होनी चाहिए.
भगवान.
Culture.
Listen, don't let me regret this.
It doesn't take long, Amrita. 20 minutes तो हो गया. My greatness is gone now. So Vaibhavi, please bring us back.
Okay, so we were talking about the stuff that I've done and हो गया वो अभी
नहीं
चलो
नहीं
आगे.
नहीं हो गया. We are just हाँ.
वाजले
the
की
song.
बारा, the
हाँ.
song.
Sing it. Huh?
But then ये okay रहेगा.
Singing we
क्या?
can do na. Singing we can do na.
हाँ, I can sing हाँ.
Listen, no one is a lawyer here and they all give
So-
you answers. Can she sing one line, two lines? Yes or no?
No, see,
नहीं?
see.
She can sing, na? Like it's her. काय नाही का तुम्ही?
गाऊ मी चल जाऊ दे आता मग जाऊ दे.
The one who she's passed the law entrance exam and rejected the degree. So I'll give her that much.
या ओके ठीक है मी गाणार
He has
आता.
done a Canadian catering course. So you decide who to listen to.
So it's an Ajay Atul absolutely famous song. This is a film which won a national award. It's called Natranga. और उसका ये गाना है मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आता वाजले की बारा. बस ये आपके लिए छोटा वाला वर्जन दिया
मेरा
मैंने.
क्लोजअप अलग क्योंकि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मैम का क्लोजअप अलग. With details who to contact. हाँ. But whose film is it?
So it's
आपका दोस्त है ना end of the day producers.
प्रोड्यूसर मतलब जी की फिल्म है
हाँ
वो.
तो who owns it the copyright?
The copyrights, I think Z only owns it.
So Z is the platform, but there must be a producer, no? He must be owning the copyright.
But वही है Z Studios is the producer तो उनके पास ही है सारे rights.
गोयल जी को फोन कर. I'll handle this. I have friends everywhere.
Then that's fine.
Don't
हाँ,
worry.
Good.
I have friends in every channel. Don't any TV problem you come to me.
Oh wow, really?
You know Arnab?
Huh? अर्णब कुमार? Yes.
हाँ अर्नब कुमार सही बात है.
कौन है अर्णब को? ओ नहीं.
You don't know Arnab? He's also retiring to start political party. नहीं वो तो हो गया. He's already done that. Sorry. Come back.
No
Come back.
comments.
Come back.
No comments,
Come back. Where were we now? How the song became a
the
big hit?
song, हाँ, super hit and then you know then फिर तो क्या काम चलता रहा ये वो फलाना. हाँ.
What were you doing before this? When you started working something outside Pune, you and your sister. You said, "Na, we went to look for work and all that."
Yeah. So I used to work at a
Bank?
नहीं रे ऑप्टिकल
हाँ.
लेंस लोगों की आंखों में मैं लेंस लगाती थी.
oh.
इवन आई कैन पुट लाइक वेरी नाइसली आई कैन पुट
Not Goli, huh?
नॉट गोली बट या लेंसेज लगाती
So
थी.
you were the person who puts the lens in the
Yeah,
eye.
I was like a
Yeah,
pro.
yeah.
Like I can do this and it's done.
But what if I learn all the letters by heart?
That's fine.
I go online, I find that chart, na? वो chart जो है PLMM.
See,
Then I can
whosoever
lie.
kind of by hearts all those things,
Yeah.
na, you come and you want to tell the doctor, see, I know and I can see. But बाद में आपको आना ही है क्योंकि आपका नजर गया है सर, आपका गया है पूरा
But
नजर.
vanity भी एक चीज है ना, so people don't want to admit.
हाँ
that they
ठीक
can't
है, तो
read.
मत एडमिट करो, अंधे बन के फिरो.
Yeah, very often people show me something on their phone, I can't read, I just laugh. It didn't work once when the guy's father died, and he showed me, and I was laughing, but you have to read.
Let's come back. Let's come back. Cyrus.
You really watch MTV, huh? Is it? Okay. We'll have to take a break quickly. So let's get to. Many years have passed before you reach the Netflix zamana.
Lots of years,
हाँ,
yeah.
so
So
let's
this is my first association with Netflix.
हाँ.
So I'm actually here for Taskari and we want to
Actually,
talk about
by the way, we are
Taskari.
supposed to be promoting Taskari,
Taskari.
And now after 26 minutes we have mentioned
Yeah,
it, which I feel
exactly.
really bad.
Yeah,
You
so-
should say it 3-4 times just to make them
Yeah,
happy.
yeah, मतलब-
PR team का कोई है इधर? नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
So let's talk about something else. They should have come here. They don't come. Why are we involved?
No, but we are actually here to talk about Taskaris
Yeah.
because
Neeraj Pandey.
Neeraj Pandey sir and then Imran Hashmi and
Yeah.
how
तो बोल-
how
slowly.
Taskari has become like
Yeah.
the number one trending क्या कहते हैं वेब सीरीज
Yeah, it is.
है ना
Yeah, yeah.
ग्लोबली
Globally?
हो गया
मत
भाई
बोलो यार globally.
Yes,
Globally कहाँ से सबूत कहाँ है
yes.
globally? India definitely.
No, नॉन इंग्लिश में it's become
Globally?
globally trending.
Wow.
Hello.
नीरज पांडे जिंदाबाद. एक बार मेरे को फोन किया.
फिर
Many years ago.
Then?
I don't know. I didn't have a mobile phone then. By the time I realized who he was and I had to call him and all, I think he was lost interest. It must have been कोई लाश का role छोटा, you know. Because his films had a lot of killing.
nobody's going to call you for a lash ka role, Cyrus.
Never know.
Should I call you Cyrus G?
No, why?
No? Okay, ठीक है.
Cyrus, if I've achieved something in life, you can say. So supposing it's like.
Also, the name Cyrus,
Sunil
it just
Gavaskar.
gives away like a chalna,
No, Sunil
Cyrus
Gavaskar
wala.
achieved something. You say Gavaskar Saab, Gavaskar. I have no problem.
Huh.
Okay, or even a singer like Arijit Singh is young, but you can still say because he achieved something great singer. What the hell have we done? We just passed time on MTV.
No.
It's not right.
No,
I
you
can't.
don't know what you've done, my
no,
bro. No.
What, my bro?
You're just too good, too good.
Oh God! Okay. Amrita, you got Parsi genes or what? You keep switching personality. I don't know how to handle you. Bit scary. We'll talk about your husband in a bit. I've heard lots of stories. Wait. Let's talk about Taskari.
Taskari. So
थोड़ा
Taskari.
हल्का सा तारीफ कर लो.
हाँ, so
globally trending number 1.
Yes,
Then
yes, on Netflix, and my first association with Netflix, with Neeraj sir, and it was a great, you know, I had a great time.
without giving away too much, so people.
No, it's already on air and
but
everything.
don't give
यार
away-
सबने
But don't
देख
give away
लिया.
plots. I think people should go and watch. They keep giving away plots and then they get lazy.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm playing this custom officer who's like a badass single mom and who kicks ass for real. मतलब मैंने बहुत
Violent
लोगों
person.
को हाँ
You're violent.
I'm very violent
Okay.
and I know how to literally kick and punch and everything now.
Show your punch.
Okay, really?
Not bad. One more. Not bad. But
Not bad,
I
na?
would use more shoulder
Yeah.
and back in it.
ठीक है
but-
ठीक है हाँ
but
वो
you can't-
बाद में ट्रेनिंग कर लेंगे
Not, don't show off, man.
Oh my god!
So
But
you-
no, I
so lot
literally
of
hit
fight.
I literally hit a stunt man.
Yeah.
हाँ फिर
This
मेरा
is-
हाथ सूज
This
गया
is on
था
a non-shooting day.
on the shooting.
Okay. I thought you just got angry. क्या देख रहा है मैं?
No, when I get angry, actually, I'll tell you, I've
Huh.
been a very violent kid all my life.
What are you saying?
Very
You
violent.
don't appear to be violent.
I have beaten up ex-boyfriends and all.
Like as an
Yeah.
adult girl.
Yeah, around a 17-year-old girl and all.
So you
yeah.
beat up a 17-year-old boy.
Yeah, I have.
Who is this Lallu?
Yeah, बेचारा.
What
I really
How
hope
will
he
he tell his
doesn't see
parents?
this.
क्या हो गया विजय? मोहन ने तेरे को मारा? कितने लोग थे? Mom, it was her only.
I mean, I'm not very proud of it, but yeah. But I used to have temper issues and all when I was young.
Really?
Yeah.
God, I'm married to someone like that. Yeah.
Well, my husband is married to one, so yeah.
But now you're not.
I'm not. I'm very shy.
Because success made you better. I think
failure
so.
actually made me better.
Where failure?
मतलब हुआ बीच
क्या
बीच
failure?
में जो भी हुआ
In between when films don't
yeah,
work.
Yeah.
But that's temporary failure, na? Because your
it
world is very
is.
great. Next
Yeah.
film, you're up again.
Yeah. But no, I mean, I generally and then
Would you like to
लड़की भी
apologize?
हूँ ना मैं वो वाला एक
Oh, no,
चीज
that's
हो गया
gender stereotype hai. Why can't women be
yeah,
angry?
yeah. But you know, my Maharashtrian middle class mother.
Don't
and then-
blame Maharashtrian middle class mother for everything. It's
No,
not fair.
please, they're absolutely lovely, but also to blame.
We have a token Maharashtrian is in the room all the time. Sitting
Yeah.
right there.
Is
Kunal
it
Vijayakar, have you heard of him?
Oh, of course I have. Yeah. I've met him also. He's come to my home. He's PP. Pathare Prabhu.
Hi, you're Pathare Prabhu?
No, I'm not Pathare Prabhu, but yeah, one of my friends is.
You know what his story is, no? The tribe, Pathare Prabhu ka jo descent kya
Yes,
hai?
yes,
Where-
Baba.
Where do they come from?
They are very rich people.
नहीं, वो अलग
and
है. Where do they come from? Like each community of India has
They've come from somewhere, na?
I mean, they've come from somewhere. Where? Okay,
That
I'll tell
I
you.
don't know.
You're ready?
Please, हाँ.
You won't walk out.
No.
They claim they come from Normandy, which is in France ka one side. No, don't laugh. Because it's all there in the manual. You read the manual about
Of
it.
PP?
So then from William the Conqueror ka time, one boat came down, it came towards the Gujarat side or whatever, and this group of Normans,
Wow.
they came, took the local culture and became Pathare Prabhus.
Wow, I'm
And
going to ask my
so
friend.
Shreyas Talpade and Kunal Vijayakar, show close pictures, are basically French. That's the story.
And here we need to take a little break because it's just a little hard to digest.
But this is what they claim now. How true it is now, how do we know?
I don't know. I'll ask my friend. He kind of knows his history really well. Yeah.
But tell me one thing, we are looking for a bride for him. Na? He's now 61.
Who, Kunal?
Ah,
You're looking for a bride for him?
Yeah. We're looking for, and now before it was Maharashtra and all that, we don't want all that. Anything that's female. Umar bhi chalega. Don't tell me how old or young. Just whatever it is, if the girl is okay with it.
I will speak to Kunal Dada then. I will.
Don't, I'm from that side. You speak to the girl, na.
अच्छा चलो ठीक
His
है.
side, what is the problem? His side का कोई issue नहीं है.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen, as we age, we need a partner. No? That's a danger for being single is when you're 65, 70, 75.
Ah, okay. He must be 75.
Beautiful. Can I keep this link for myself? I want to just keep it and play it when I'm feeling sad.
Huh? He must be.
Yeah, he should
Yeah,
be.
He gives those vibes.
So, do you have a girl in mind?
I will see if I have a beautiful, lovely lady.
Itna to mat bolo, yaar. Then we are under pressure. Just say lady. Even not even say
okay.
lady, just say non-male.
Lady.
As long as it's non-male,
Non-male.
for us that's the standard. उसके ऊपर जाएगा भी नहीं हम लोग.
Hey Bhagwan.
I'm glad we've had this conversation on a thing, so we have
Yeah,
the
yeah,
recording. So we take a break and then come back and we have
Yeah.
to talk about this properly. Taskari, we're not.
Yes,
we
we
have only
haven't, yeah.
said that you're beating
Yeah.
people up as a customs officer.
As a
Right?
customer officer, I'm beating some serious ass.
Correct. Okay. We're taking a break. Amrita's right here. We'll come back. She's in a great mood at the moment. I don't have a choice.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
All right, back. Amrita is telling me all about life. There are lots of we have to come back to other films and also quickly let's finish with the Neeraj Pandey
Yeah.
story.
So I'll tell you
Custom
what
officer,
had
huh.
happened. Okay, now I had gone to his office for some other role, which was like a 6-day, 5-day role and everything. And I was like, चलो यार नीरज सर के साथ काम करना है तो मैं कर लेती हूँ करके. And then I don't know what happened. They were like, you know what, we want to test you for something else. I don't know what they saw in me and everything. I feel like, so he told me, you know what, you auditioned for this Mitali Kamath's role. I was like, sure. And then they asked me, do you know how to do action? I was like, I've never done action and stuff.
But you were a violent child.
But I couldn't tell them
Yeah,
at
couldn't
that
tell
point
them.
of time.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like this really well-behaving
Pretty,
lady and
ladylike
everything.
person,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. So I was like, मन में तो लड्डू फूटा because action करना मतलब चलो बड़ा
Second
सिखाने का.
nature.
Exactly. It's like. So I told them, you know what, I'm a dancer, I'm a Kathak dancer. So you give me a choreography and I will learn it in like half an hour or something and then I'll show it to you. That is what I did. So एक पूरा action sequence था. I learned it. मैंने उनको दिखाया कैसे. They really liked the way I punched. They were like, yeah,
But you
punch
did it.
अच्छा
You
कर
did it from the way they described it. You did it.
या सो उन्होंने दिखाया कि ऐसा ऐसा है, डक करो, पंच मारो, इसको पकड़ो, यहाँ पे डालो, वगैरह वगैरह सब किया मैंने.
With real people?
With real people, with real
And you-
stuntmen.
in the audition, you punched them and all.
Like how you like
Pull the
झूठा
punch,
झूठा
pull the punch,
हाँ
हाँ,
झूठा
हाँ,
झूठा
हाँ.
पंच करते वैसा. So they liked it. They were like, "Arey, good punch and everything and all." And then we started shooting. So my action sequence was second day of my shoot, and I hit the stuntman. I hit the stuntman so bad कि मेरा
Where? Face.
So this went like that. So this उसका जबड़ा लगा मेरे को and he was some 6 feet or something. So imagine my hand going like that. ये पूरा सूज गया था. And then I had to क्या boxing gloves.
Baba, you
पहन
hit
के-
him first. Worry about him, na.
क्या?
उसको
हाँ,
मारा.
I know. बेचारे को किसी ने.
Boss,
I
he's
know.
on the floor.
I know,
He's
I know.
humiliated. Master Ji of 40 years experience. Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, and now this young girl, Maharashtrian girl from Pune, slapped him. He's on the floor. I'm thinking about uska jo इज्जत है, we have to put that back
No,
on the
बेचारा
table.
he said that दीदी सबने आपको ही देखा, मेरे को तो किसी ने देखा ही नहीं.
Yeah, they started calling him Didi because of you.
So that was it.
So
But
he-
I think
he got
it is-
hurt?
He got hurt. Yeah,
The back of your hand you hit him.
Yeah, this.
That bony
अब ये
part.
ना या तो
This-
बोनी
this,
part है. एक तो मैं बोनी ही हूँ ना.
No. Everybody has these areas where if you want to actually hurt people, you have to use them. Elbow,
This, no?
It's much more effective than this.
Yeah. So this is not effective.
Yeah,
I
this-
understood this is
Yeah,
effective
yeah,
actually.
yeah.
And then yeah.
You want to try on any of
No,
my...
no, thanks. Thank you.
अंदर का जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन वी
नहीं
डिस्कस्ड
नहीं
इन द
अभी
फर्स्ट
हो गया मेरा नीरज पांडे की सीरीज में वो एक्चुअल में फ्रस्ट्रेशन देन देयर केम दिस पॉइंट वेयर आई हैव टू हिट द विलन अच्छा नाउ एवरीबडी न्यू माय रेपुटेशन कि ये मार देती है करके सो वो अनुराग करके था बंदा एंड आई वाज लाइक मैं ऐसे मार रही थी ऐसे एंड नीरज सर ने अमृता
hand slap.
हाँ ओपन हैंड फन फन
वो तो साउंड इफेक्ट के साथ करते हैं ना ज्यादा
हाँ,
एटलीस्ट ओल्ड डेज में जो कांटेक्ट करो बट देन पचाक हैपेंस इन साउंड या
So I was like कि sir I don't have experience of slapping people like
What
that.
are you saying, your boyfriend?
अरे रुक ना यार.
वो बेचारा somewhere there a guy still holding his face. One master ji was this side, the other guy that side.
No, one more kiss I'll tell you. So I was like कि sir वो नहीं अमृता it's not touching you know it has to touch and all. So then
मतलब
अनुराग
contact
was like
बराबर.
contact बराबर करो करके मैंने कहा and then everybody right from Imran sir and everybody knew कि ये मतलब ये मार सकती है करके then Anurag was like Amrita just chill just go for it I was like no,
Never say that, Anurag. Never.
no I was like no Anurag no just go for it and it was like that climax wala slap na so that force had to come so I went like and pan करके आ गई ये पूरा लाइन आ गया था यहाँ पे ऐसे पूरा नाक लाल और ये and Anurag was like मिला टेक मिला
Lovely story.
so that had
I wish the
happened.
guy said ना एक बार और
मिला टेक मिला हाँ
मिला या
मिला
नहीं? मिला?
वही मिला but yeah
Wow.
That
But
is
good fun. These kind of shoots are good fun.
Yeah.
No? Like therapy. Yaar. You take
absolute
out.
therapy so whenever people ask me ki how was it working with Neeraj sir I was like it was just great it was very calming very calming because I had this you know I was wearing men's shirts and denims and all and I was like walking all over like a boy kabhi bhi kahin bhi
But
chokdi
custom
maar
officer. How will...
but she was like
a
that
dada?
undercover thing no she was
Oh.
like the Google of the department and everything yeah
But also like you were good or bad? You were,
I was very good
So you're playing this undercover role to find
Yeah,
out things.
yeah,
and all.
yeah.
But you're basically a good character. Okay. All right. We won't give out. You go and watch it. We don't give away everything. ठीक है. Okay, then there's something else in OTT also, no? That happened this year.
yes that's Space Gen
हाँ,
Geo
correct,
Star
correct.
TVF के साथ मैंने
हाँ,
किया
हाँ.
so that was amazing but that role was very wife like very
It's
supportive
okay ना.
wife.
Can't keep beating people up यार. कभी-कभी औरत के रूप में आना चाहिए ना. All the time every time they want to angry, they'll call Amrita.
no but I think
पुणे के
what I
अमिताभ
really
बच्चन.
what I really like about the show is that कि you know it kind of just showcased ISRO scientists की जो frustrations होते हैं you know the kind of things that they had to go through and everything so that really came out in this
You're
show
a scientist. You're the wife.
I'm the wife so मैं उस scientist की wife हूँ and how they deal
So he
with
misbehaves at home.
no how they deal with pressure and everything ये दिखाने वाला वो show है and you know just the whole चंद्रयान का वो mission कैसा रहा वगैरह so I think what
Mission
we-
was successful.
A moment of silence for that.
okay, sorry,
yes.
sorry.
I think we are trying our best as as a country and everything.
Wow.
But
wow, इतना violence तो नहीं है. At the right time.
yeah, the violence.
You pull back the violence.
My violence is directed in the right
Direction.
Direction. That's the thing. But I really feel that you know what I really learnt about the scientists and the whole ISRO thing in this show was like 0.0001% भी chance उनको ना नहीं होता to miscalculate and that is absolutely stressful as human beings and I think that was really something to see.
You mean if they do anything wrong equation wise?
Yes. If anything,
fallout
any
can be
miscalculation
really.
or anything, yeah.
Yeah.
So just imagine the amount of stress that they have to go
But
through.
we have the same stress. If we say anything wrong, even one thing wrong on the podcast, we have to be very careful. We're very, very careful. Most of the podcasts we edit to 5 minutes. 2 घंटा के बाद we just bring it down to 5 minutes for
I
safety.
really hope that I've said everything that I wanted to in those 5 minutes.
We
इनका close नहीं लगाओगे तो भी चलेगा.
close तो नहीं है. Mine is mid only now. How many chins can people take? So now let's get back to which film you want to do. We will run out of time. Say fast.
So the producer, okay, I'm going to start this. Now the producer of this show really
Which
is a
show now?
Maharashtra. This show.
Which show are we talking about?
Cyrus with you.
Oh,
Cyrus
this
क्या
show.
है? Cyrus
Ah,
says.
God, yeah, boss. I'm talking about your film. Suddenly you say this show.
No,
Haan,
no,
show.
this Cyrus says
She's
wala.
Kannada, actually.
You are?
Yeah.
Wow, half Kannada and
Border
half?
dispute. Border dispute.
Half Kannada and half Maharashtrian.
Yeah. Yeah.
My
like
kind of
Kumble.
girl, my
Yeah,
kind
yeah,
of girl.
Yeah. But you also half.
No, not half. I'm pura. But I'm just saying.
Half.
So the producer, what's her name?
Shreya.
Shreya.
Pura
half-
naam. Have you heard this name?
Shreya.
Melmani. It sounds like Sindhi name,
Of course I've heard.
but it's a
Yeah.
Kannada name.
It is, yeah.
you heard this name?
Yeah. We have Memane also in Marathi.
Memani you are or Melmani? Melmani.
Milmani.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I've heard.
So
Maharashtrians have a lot of
Good
such
names.
Good names.
So what are you saying about?
Shreya, the producer, wants to know about Katyar Kaljat
Yes.
Ghusli,
correct.
my film, which
She's a huge fan.
Yeah,
so let's give
yeah,
her some respect.
Woo!
These are the people who really like make you because they the big Amrita fans.
yeah. And also they like really good cinema.
Also, I think being female, sometimes there's some of the roles you play. Maybe there's this identification also. happens.
Yeah. So I played the role of a Muslim in this Marathi film, and it was a huge, again, a Z Studio film, which had Sachin Pilgaonkar, which had
Oh, nice.
Shankar Mahadevan sir, which had Subodh Bhave.
Shankar Mahadevan sir, in what?
So he played a role in that, and
acting.
he also did the music for that.
Yeah.
So there's and we had like huge national award winners. We had Rahul Deshpande as singer and Mahesh Kale as the singer, and yeah, so that role was also very क्या मतलब लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा
What is the
था.
character?
It's of a Muslim girl
But like-
named as Zarina. So it's about this film is about a rift between two singing gharanas. Now how gharanas
nice.
are there,
Yeah,
ना?
yeah.
जयपुरी घराना
Very
होता
rival-
है
very
and
big
all.
rivalry, हाँ.
Very big rivalry. तो इन दोनों घरानों के बीच में जो है वो rivalry होती है, and this film is all about that rivalry and how this one person which is played by Subodh Bhave, his character name is Sadashiv. He comes in and he gets these gharanas together.
Okay, and you're one of the Gharanas ka singers.
Yes. So I'm with Sachin Pilgaonkar. We are the क्या कहते हैं? So we are Muslims, and
It's a communal.
no, it's
Gharana?
not like that. It's not shown like that. But apparently there was this huge play, Katyar Kaljat Ghusli. It was like a theatre musical. Okay, और उसके ऊपर से ये फिल्म की है.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been
just
directed.
rivalry. Incidentally, they're Muslim, Hindu, whatever they are.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just the rivalry between
And you
the
sang?
singing gharanas. No. God just wanted people to be saved. So yeah, I just
You
danced.
sang on the show?
Yeah, that's fine. Na, with you I can sing.
Acha, when the
हाँ,
audience is
भाई, हाँ.
lowbrow audience, you sing and all that. Intellectual audience, they do like that.
No. तिकडे नहीं करत.
It's okay. It's all right. It's fine. I'm not feeling bad.
No, it's okay. You want some
I've been
coffee?
rejected all my life. You have no idea what.
What? Even after rejection, you've done so much?
Yeah. I have no girl has ever said yes to me for a date. You know
Acha,
that?
like that, huh?
No,
Then
but
that's
rejection
correct.
starts like that, no? Okay, mother rejection, father rejection, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
But tell me, did you really? I mean, you're married, no? Now, nicely?
Nicely means how? What is that? How could Amrita
Nicely in the sense, मतलब है ना, मतलब marriage है ना.
She's not left yet.
हाँ, good.
Keep our standards low. Every day check. Wife is there. That's nothing more. Let's talk about your life.
I'll tell you what, when me and my husband met, we met in the year 2004. तब तो phone नहीं, ये social media नहीं, कुछ नहीं था.
Huh.
अभी he doesn't follow me, that's a different thing.
What?
He is a one sant person. He will not follow me. He will not follow anybody. If you go and check his account, he's not following anybody. I'm only following him.
But why doesn't he follow?
I don't know, yaar. Some sant. Matlab he's like, I just want my peace and I don't want to follow anyone. And
Your
I
husband's a
don't want
Baba?
I think so. Little bit. He's become like that with me.
Didn't you all win one dance thing together?
Nach Baliye, we
Nach
won.
Baliye, huh?
We won.
So that...
Uske baad he's become sant.
But
What to
why?
do now? I don't know.
Because of your violence?
I think so.
Okay.
My violence, I think, my mother
How
thought
did
that,
you
so my mother always thought that, once...
I better keep quiet or I'll get beaten up. Carry
My
on.
mother always thought that once I'm, maybe in my early 20s, my violence would get controlled. And once I'm 25, it would, kind of simmer
Subside,
down.
हाँ.
शादी करने के बाद simmer down होगा. कुछ नहीं हुआ. I'm above 35 now. कुछ simmer down नहीं हुआ मेरा violence. And I think people around me kind of simmered down.
So you have caused the change in others.
Exactly.
Unfortunately. Or
Yes.
fortunately, we don't
Yes.
know. How did you meet?
Fortunately.
How did you meet him, Mr. Malhotra ji?
Mr. Malhotra ji, I met on that reality show.
Which one?
Z
Z wala?
Z wala, हाँ.
So it goes back so long from the beginning, and you all have
So
been
22 years now.
you've been associated together for 22 years.
Yeah, we dated for around 11 years and now 10 years of January 24th was our anniversary. 12 साल हो गए हाँ.
January 24th. We are shooting just a couple of days after that.
Yeah.
We'll come to the anniversary. My question is that so from 2004 till now, you only saw each other.
Yeah.
You didn't.
Why? I know.
But that's
Bichara.
little limited, no? I mean,
See, I'm very entertaining, but yeah, actually, Bichari is me.
he had no hope. So he's your NGO. You
Yeah,
look after
yeah,
him. and
yeah,
all
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Huh.
So yeah, that happened, and yeah, we are friends, and I think the whole institute of marriage and all is
Oh, don't
little,
start me
yeah,
off.
है ना?
I feel ki boss, it's like religion also. Many of the religious things don't work in modern society, but people continue doing it.
Yeah,
It makes no sense to do. What do
I
you
mean,
do?
we really thought that, why did we have to get married, yeah?
Yeah.
ऐसा हो गया था हमारा.
No, we've discussed this 200 times. We have to have a marriage should be temporary license. No cheating and all that. Every year you decide ki boss, next year shall we renew the contract like you do with your landlord. Don't you think that's better?
I don't know about
Without
that. I just feel that, I mean.
Which woman will stay? If we
With
give them
you,
an option. No,
yeah.
with anyone.
Yeah, nobody will,
Most
yeah.
females will be
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
boss, ho gaya. I can't
Ho
take
gaya,
this
ho
guy
gaya, huh.
anymore. Let me just look around the room, all frustrated men, so they don't know. There are two ladies here.
But I'm really telling you, I mean, I do believe in the institution of marriage and all, but I really felt after me and Himanshu, when we got married, we were like, oh, we were better off as friends, yeah. वो खर्चा वर्चा का बहुत
But marriage makes
देखना
you friends
पड़ता है.
only.
No, but the खर्चा,
that.
फिर ये बिल भरना है, वो करना है, अरे यार, that रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी, we don't like that.
Yeah. And also then friend, joint account है या single separate
नहीं
account?
single separate
Joint account भी नहीं है?
नहीं please,
What kind of
thanks.
marriage is this?
It's very good.
मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. Everything is joint. I don't have even my life is not separate. It's
No, even our life is not like separate, but accounts is, yeah, I'm that money person ना कि ये तुम्हारा ये मेरा जो तुम्हारा वो मेरा जो मेरा वो तुम्हारा नहीं.
So 24th January की anniversary पे what kind of present did you give him?
Nothing, money only.
You tipped him. शाबाश बेटा. Well done.
No, money only in the sense. So we have a thing that if he wants to buy something, then I'll give him something. Ki, this is what you want to buy. Chalo, you take this money and you buy something for
It's
yourself.
like mother-son relationship. Pocket money. What do you
No,
say?
re Baba. It's like
So
okay.
24th पे वो special दिन.
So he wanted to do like produce some scenes or something. So he does all these theater workshops and yeah he's into all of that, scene works and all. So he's like, you know what, baby, I want to produce this. I was like, okay, you take this money. Okay, happy anniversary.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're,
Because once or twice I got him a watch and everything. He went and he kind of exchanged them. So that's really sad, no then?
how can you exchange a
I don't
watch you
know,
bought?
yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That's like, you're saying, okay, I don't like this mother-in-law, get me another one. You can't just change people.
No, I love my mother-in-law, by the way.
Yeah. I use it as an example. It's not personal.
But I'm just saying.
And what did he get you?
Oh, yeah, he's not got me anything. Oh, I forgot. I think he sent me flowers or something. I think so.
Paid for scenes. Produced scenes to be put and broadcast. He got you one rose.
No, flowers.
नीचे वाला ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे वो लड़का है ना ए छोटू दे दो and he brought that one old rose which
Yeah,
anyway
yeah.
comes from the hospital. You know that, na, how they get them. I'm just as a life coach telling you I'm not
Okay,
happy with
life
this.
coach,
This
okay,
is not
okay.
good.
Wow, Cyrus
there should be
is my
some
life
parity
coach.
na between the
Yeah,
couple.
but
like my wife and me give no presents.
Yeah. That is how it's become.
For 25
Pehle-
years.
But I've been with him for 22 years now.
No, but don't count the non-marriage years.
Oh, I'm
no.
so sorry, yeah.
No, the marriage years is when all this other janjat starts. No, that's
Yeah.
not there. You just said that was easy.
That
you
was
wear your
easy.
makeup, you go for a date, you come
Yeah.
back home, bas ho gaya. And now
It's like
it's a
that,
company
yeah.
production, everything.
Yeah.
Inventory is involved.
And
in
then
all
he's
that.
like, no, baby, I'll put your name as a producer. I was like, yaar, kuch bhi karo abhi. Lo, chalo jao.
So he's a very good sweet talker. Huh? And he
भाई
also,
मल्होत्रा है वो दिल्ली का.
100%. Be careful. Huh? And this baby करके he's getting you to do
Baby
things.
Baby Shona, हाँ.
Baby Shona baby. Oh. And what do you call him?
हिम्मी क्या कर रहे हो तुम? Yeah.
Seems like a good relationship. Seems great. All right. What else can we talk about?
You tell me what you
What
want
else
to
is
talk.
anything coming up?
Anything coming up? Oh, there are a few Marathi films and everything. There's one Hindi film that's coming up, but wo airtight contracts and all, we can't talk a lot
But
about
don't
them.
tell me what kind of roles. Are you playing more violent roles?
I want to play violent roles. I think
should-
Neeraj Pandey sir has just kind of, made me discover that
Did he
thing.
Did he say things? Ki boss, this is fantastic and all the. I'm
They
talking about
loved.
the physical.
I mean, I've had the heads of the department and all telling me, "क्या action किया है? क्या action किया है?" Oh ho, ऐसा सब. Which is great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it? Kill Bill, no? Which is the one where the what's her name? Uma Thurman.
Uma Thurman, Kill
Yeah,
Bill.
yeah, all that. Where the female is the doing all the
And
killing.
I learned Kalari Pattu also, so I'm like,
the
yeah, all that.
Malayali Kerala.
Yeah.
That's with the stick, no? We have one.
No,
we have one Malu guy
it's
here
with,
who's more spiritual, but
but it's with hands and everything. So it's got.
How
like
did you
these
learn it?
Long. So there's this Arpit sir करके एक है ना. So he takes Kalari Pattu classes.
Oh,
and
अच्छा,
all.
just on the side you
This
were
is all
learning this.
अंधेरी वाला. सब classes वर्सेस करते हैं ना हम लोग actor लोग. वो वाला zone है.
Oh, to improve the artist's
Yeah,
profile.
yeah.
What are the
तुम लोग
classes?
बैंड्रा के लोग कुछ नहीं करते ना.
What
You just go to
classes?
Bougie, have some coffee, have like a dark chocolate mousse and all.
My life is very simple. If there's no work, I walk my dogs. Bus, nothing else.
Wow.
बोल ना.
See, हाँ बोल क्या?
So what are the things you've done? You've done the martial arts then?
No, the Kalari Pattu thing I've done. Then
Kathak or something you were doing?
वाह
You said now you learned classical dancing?
कथक.
हाँ.
कथक बोलना तो अरे हाँ काय है हा माणूस?
Let's try together. 1, 2, 3. Kathak.
कथक.
Kathak.
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 Do this.
Oh God.
Just do this.
But this is vulgar, yaar.
This is vulgar. This is mudra.
Okay.
No, not from the middle finger. From the first finger.
What are you saying? You do? Okay.
Just do this.
Yeah.
Huh? Now do this. Yeah. Now do this. Okay. This is called as pataka.
Congress.
No. Pataka.
Okay. Pataka.
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 Not that. This.
Oh, this. But I will.
And why your fingers are like
you
this,
made me do
Cyrus?
this. Huh?
Why your fingers are like this?
Because every time I say something bad, my wife pulls my finger. But you left me like this and you made a hand.
This is pataka.
But we were like this.
This is mudra.
Huh.
This is the starting mudra of Kathak.
Correct. Now?
Now do this.
Yeah, 1.
No, just do this.
It's bringing out my inner gay feeling.
No, shut up.
I don't mean to be rude, but
Yeah.
I'm feeling like little female.
No, I'm just teaching you something really nice so that you know something about Kathak.
Correct. I've sat through a couple of my friends' Arangetams and all this.
Wow. Oh,
It's not easy to sit through if you're not a trained...
all together now. You're like that makhi on your t-shirt right now.
Yeah, this is Peter. I'm an animal supporter.
Oh, wow.
I'm an anti-human. Now my
But
next
even I
t-shirt,
am. How
don't like
sweet,
animals.
yeah.
I like animals better.
Yeah.
But you
They-
taught me nothing. What is I feel like I've learned nothing. Let me do the movement once.
You want to do the
Yeah, yeah,
movement? Get up.
Get up. Can we get up? Now you see, they're all worried because they have to get up and move the
No,
camera.
no. It's okay. Then, okay. Chalo, I'm going to teach you something now.
Huh.
Hold this position.
Give me 1 second to understand, huh? Oh, this Spider-Man.
This is Spider-Man.
Hey, how dare you? How dare you? This. Now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now do this. Samne.
Samne.
Get it back.
Back.
Ye samne.
Samne.
And see, the finger is touching all the fingers, yeah. Then get it back.
Back.
Now do this and get it back.
Back.
Now do this and get it back. Okay? Now do this.
This is very confusing. It's making me feel vertigo.
बस हो गया. Oh God. मेरे क्लास में मत आना.
You won, Nachbali. But you think I can learn? I'm not good with directions.
Leave it now. Leave it.
Free flow dancing, I'm good at.
That's great.
Bus.
Do that. Huh?
Let me just do that.
Because no, I don't want to put your
Coordination-
teacher also in
No,
through
exactly.
all
Then
this.
you also feel bad because
yeah,
you failed.
yeah.
Because you can't get the
I
teach-
failed? No.
No, you failed because you didn't teach the.
No, that's fine. I'm
when the
not. I'm never going to teach you.
Student का failure, teacher का failure होता है ना. You can't say no.
अच्छा, चलो.
Teacher has to be blamed.
No, I will put you on to somebody else.
Who?
Somebody else.
Farah Khan. She's already got one guy called Dilip,
Oh yeah.
who's become an international star.
Wow.
He's
I
got
love
his-
that show.
He's got
by
his own
the way.
agent.
Really?
Yeah, he's minting.
Wow.
Arijit,
I want to be
Arijit
Dilip.
quit because of him. He's earning more than Arijit. And it's true. So it upsets the artist who works so hard, and then this guy comes, and he's not even a good cook. Farah does all the cooking. You know, it's like those guys who don't do the action and somebody else does the action. I'm just saying. Okay, Amrita, we have to stop now. We have
great.
to stop.
Oh, great.
Wait, there's another question.
One suggestion. If we can you teach him Marathi words?
Oh, of course. Huh.
Okay, as we end, we are doing a very difficult Marathi word session to learn
It's
big
not
words.
difficult.
No,
These are
big words.
These are very nice words.
Okay.
Okay. Ratalya.
Can we not do tur and der?
No, we have to do.
Do pha and all that.
I'm also going to do l with you.
R is okay. I'll do R. I can do R.
And tur.
I can do
N,
also.
n.
Yeah. R and L and all I can do. The turn the R is going to be a problem.
R,
R,
ta,
ta,
alya.
lia.
Ratalya.
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 Buzgawण्या.
1-0.
Buzgawण्या.
Bhuz,
Buz,
gaonia.
gawण्या.
Bhuz gaonia. Bhuz gaonia. 2-0. हाँ, चलो.
माकड तोंड्या.
I can say the word, but the term will makar tondia.
माकड तोंड्या.
Makar tondia. हाँ.
त्याच्यानंतर
Can you say teri makar tondia?
no. माकड तोंड्या is monkey face.
I know. So
You're an animal lover,
but
na?
if I say teri mak kartondia, then
Nahi.
I've saved it. Like I used to say teri maki jai, like that. You know, it's the same style. Yeah.
तेरी माक
Kartondia.
कड तोंड्या.
We've upset the poet here. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. So what? I passed the test. 3 out of 3 guys. Huh.
Rataya mean?
What does ratalya mean? It's just like a
Throw
like a
away.
through.
It's a sweet potato.
It's a ratalya is a sweet potato.
Oh, nice.
Huh.
Yeah. I like sweet potato.
I also like.
Yeah.
I just had a
It's a
paratha.
superfood.
It's a superfood.
Superfood,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Paratha means you inside was the sweet
Yeah,
potato.
yeah.
Tastes nice.
Lovely. नाचणी आणि रताळ्याचं.
Nasi also I like.
नाचणी is also चांगलंच आहे
And it's
म्हणजे
very
का.
healthy. I don't know. It's not that healthy. Like the
But
sweet
it is,
potato.
मतलब
But it's healthier
घर
than-
पे
than
हाँ,
आटा
and all,
whatever
wheat and
else,
all that.
Wheat and all, yeah.
GMO वाले
So
wheat.
you are into all this, huh?
या एकदम ही.
And Mr. Malhotra, he has to eat whatever there is at home.
या बिचारा ही तो is veg completely.
With veg.
Yeah.
How do you marry him?
I had to.
Why?
Because that time he was non-veg. Then
What?
then he became veg.
Vishwasghat.
विश्वासघात केला हो विश्वासघात.
I'm very upset.
Yeah,
Everything changed.
Everything.
And he
changed.
doesn't dance and
मतलब
all?
मुझे नहीं he
Nach
dances
badi
and
and
all
all,
yeah. But मुझे ऐसा लगा मेरा वायलेंस इतना हो गया कि बेचारे को वेज
You
कर
destroyed his
I
personality.
know, I'm
You
sorry.
are to blame.
क्या करे बट अभी अटक गया वो इसमें.
So he's religious now?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, but well, fantastic. All right, I think we're done. I don't
चलो.
know. Want to talk more?
No, बस हो गया.
ना? You must be so disappointed. You started with such a high.
Not at all.
Quickly, let's mention the program that is now global #1.
Taskari is
on
trending
Netflix.
globally on
On
Netflix.
Netflix.
Please go and watch it. And I know that all of you have really watched it, and you've given me your love and everything through social media and all. But I'm here at Cyrus Says, and watch it, please.
Yeah, they're mostly over 70. Uncle, watch the show on Netflix.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.